What's up, guys? Today we have a beautiful blue gooseneck LPX. What is special about it, you ask? It is the X ramp, the all-new X ramp and max width package. That's what we're going to be taking a look at today, plus a few of the other options that this trailer has, but we're going to spend the majority of our time on the X ramp. So the X ramp is our solution for the 2 wide ramp system on the LPX that's 102 wide. We haven't had that. You guys have been asking for that, but we thought, you know, that over the last year, we're going to do one better. Rather than having the 2 wide ramps and having to flip 2 individual ramps, we spent our time developing the X ramp. The X ramp is one single ramp that is the width of the trailer on a 102 wide. So used to, we had the frame extension package that made it 102 wide. Now we have what we call the max width package, which it is the 102 wide frame extensions, includes your drive over fenders, but then you have the 102 wide X ramp as the option when you need the full width loading surface. The cool thing about it, we use the same spring technology, spring and hinge technology that we've used in the max ramps for the last 5 years. Really tune them to where that it's easy to handle even with one hand. You can see I'm actually having to force it the other way rather than it slamming down and being heavy on the dovetail. Then with one hand, I can still walk it back all the way, well, to the balance position, but then all the way to the ground as well. It's sprung really well to where it's easy to handle, but it's one ramp to flip. It's not 2 individual ramps. Gives you a really versatile, wide, safe loading surface all the way across the back of the trailer, so that you can load ATVs, side-by-sides, equipment, vehicles, a very wide variety of cargo or driven equipment, cars, things like that, you can load on the X ramp, and you have the full width loading surface. When you talk about the max width package, the other benefit to it is that in front and behind the fenders, you can treat the trailer as a flatbed, either flatbed gooseneck, flatbed bumper pull that's 102 wide. Therefore, you can load palleted, you can side load palleted goods, long material, and you have the full width loading surface of a flatbed trailer that's 102 wide, and you have the rubber on stake pockets down the side to tie down to, versus the standard LPX, you only have the 82 wide between the fenders, which is a really cool feature. A lot of guys, you know, they don't quite want the center of gravity that a deck over gooseneck has, where the bed is actually way up here over the tires. This allows you to lower your center of gravity to be able to haul your equipment, keep it low and lower profile for, you know, the majority, whether it's tractors, skid steers, and then the accessibility of your cargo that I was talking about. So the X ramp and max width package coming in clutch to make the LPX very versatile, whether you're on the construction site, whether you're on the farm, wherever you are. Versatility is king. You want to be able to invest in one trailer that can do all kinds of jobs. If you're the guy who never knows what he may be getting into, that package may be the one for you. This particular LPX is set up with the 210 package, which is a 20,000 pound GVWR, comes with 2 torsion Lippert 10K axles, 215 17.5 wheels and tires, which is a 16 ply regroovable tire, super heavy duty. You get on the construction site, off-road, you name it, and the 16 ply really comes in clutch because it's super puncture resistant. The 210 package also includes Diamond C's exclusive engineered beam technology that we developed 5 years ago. In short, what that allows us to do is really have control over the main frame, the height of the beam, the thickness of the material, optimizing the weight in this trailer to give it the highest payload for that given GVWR or length. Walking up to the front of this one, it was also outfitted with the steel well hydraulic jack option, which makes hooking up and unhooking a breeze. It's so much faster. If you've ever, you know, been able to use regular jacks and then use hydraulic jacks and compare the two, it's a no-brainer, game changer. You get in the truck and you're not all sweaty and hot and out of breath. Simple push of a button, you're unhooked and rehooked. This one also has the 8x8 deck on the neck, or 8x7, sorry, 8x7 deck on the neck, which is awesome because you can obviously put cargo on top of it, use it as extended deck space. You can put implements, attachments, buckets, tarps. People use them for all kinds of stuff. It's obviously, this is normally void deck space on a regular gooseneck. They opted for the 2000 lumen LED work lights as well. This is great for at nighttime. If you're grinding early in the morning or late at night, this really lights up your work and lets you be able to see what you're doing, work safer, work smarter. Jump on the website there. You can configure an LPX however fits you best, right? You can either do bumper pull, gooseneck, anywhere from 16 feet all the way up to 30 feet long in the LPX, different colors, different weight combinations. You can build one to fit your needs. We'll see you on the road.